My name is Jasmine and I study construction project management. In my third year at Sheffield Hallam University, I was lucky enough to do my placement year with BAM Construction as a working site manager. I work with all different subcontractors, solving all different kinds of problems, working with all different kinds of people on all the 3 new university buildings, Strines, Redmires and Langset. So at the beginning of my placement I was really nervous, but I was really ready for the challenge. Coming to work on a site as big as this with 300 plus operatives is quite daunting for someone as first time on site. But now I've been here a year and a half, nearly 2 years, I really feel like I've settled and I'm confident to do any role that they give me now. This NEC Alliance contract is actually one of the first in the country, so it's been very new to us. So we all sort of have shared responsibility rather than it just being construction and the client. We have meetings, we have site walkarounds which I lead on a weekly basis. So we get to have great experience from all different parties of the contract. It's quite unusual for a student to be able to collaborate with the university to build new teaching facilities for students, and I think it's really important to get a student's perspective and insight on how to improve and maybe give their opinions on what the spaces should look like. My advice for women getting into the industry is just go for it. The opportunities are endless. As long as you've got a bit of confidence, resilience, determination, you will go far. I think the industry is changing, so the more women we get in, the better, and I feel proud to have like sort of an influence on that. I think it's a great thing to be a woman in construction. I'll graduate at the end of this year. My hands-on experience at BAM will help further my career in construction as a site manager and hopefully run my own site one day.